For centuries, humanity looked into the night sky and wondered whether our world was unique. Every star appeared as a distant point of light, beautiful yet unreachable. But hidden among those countless stars were worlds we could not see. Entire planets orbiting distant suns remained invisible, beyond the limits of our technology and imagination. Then everything changed. In recent decades, astronomers discovered that planets are everywhere. Thousands of exoplanets have been found across the Milky Way, ranging from giant gas worlds larger than Jupiter to rocky planets not much bigger than Earth. Yet one world has captured scientific attention more than almost any other. A planet known as Proxima b. Located just over 4 light-years away, Proxima b circles the nearest star to our solar system. On the scale of the galaxy, it is practically our cosmic neighbor. The discovery immediately sparked excitement. Unlike many exoplanets that orbit far from their stars, Proxima b lies within what scientists call the habitable zone. This is the region where temperatures may allow liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Water is considered one of the essential ingredients for life as we know it. If oceans exist there, the implications would be enormous. But there is a problem. Proxima b orbits a small red dwarf star called Proxima Centauri. Red dwarfs are among the most common stars in the universe, but they can also be extremely violent. Powerful stellar flares erupt from their surfaces, releasing bursts of radiation capable of bombarding nearby planets. Some researchers believe these eruptions could strip away a planet's atmosphere over time, leaving a barren and lifeless world behind. Others argue that a thick atmosphere or a strong magnetic field might protect the planet. The truth remains uncertain. And that uncertainty has transformed Proxima b into one of the most important targets in modern astronomy. Scientists are now racing to answer a question that would have seemed impossible just a generation ago. What is this world actually like? Is it covered by oceans? Does it possess clouds drifting through an alien sky? Could there be continents, mountains, or frozen polar regions hidden beneath its atmosphere? For now, no telescope can provide a detailed photograph of the planet's surface. The challenge is immense. Proxima b is tiny compared to its star, and the star's light overwhelms the faint glow reflected by the planet. Trying to observe it directly is like searching for a grain of sand beside a lighthouse from thousands of miles away. Yet astronomers have found another way. Instead of looking directly at the planet, they study the light itself. When starlight passes through a planetary atmosphere, certain wavelengths are absorbed by gases present there. These tiny changes act like fingerprints. By examining them, scientists can determine what molecules may exist in an atmosphere hundreds of trillions of kilometers away. It is an extraordinary achievement. Human beings are learning about worlds they cannot yet see by analyzing the subtle patterns hidden inside light. And every new observation brings Proxima b closer to reality. No longer just a distant mathematical calculation, it is becoming a place. A place that may one day answer one of humanity's oldest questions. Could life exist beyond Earth? The search for Proxima b is about far more than a single planet. It represents a turning point in human history. For the first time, humanity possesses instruments capable of studying potentially habitable worlds beyond our solar system in meaningful detail. The James Webb Space Telescope has become one of the most powerful tools in that effort. Operating far from Earth, Webb observes the universe in infrared light, allowing it to detect details invisible to previous generations of telescopes. Its observations are helping scientists investigate the atmospheres of distant planets with unprecedented precision. Although Webb cannot yet produce a detailed image of Proxima b, it is helping researchers develop the techniques that future missions will rely upon. And those future missions may transform everything. Several proposed observatories are being designed specifically to image Earth-sized planets around nearby stars. Advanced coronagraphs could block out starlight. Massive space-based observatories could isolate the faint glow of distant worlds. Some concepts even involve giant star shades positioned tens of thousands of kilometers from telescopes to create artificial eclipses. Together, these technologies may finally allow humanity to directly observe another Earth-like planet. Imagine that moment. For the first time in history, a true image appears on a screen. Not a simulation. Not an artist's illustration. A real photograph. An actual world orbiting another star. Cloud systems drifting through its atmosphere. Light reflecting from oceans. Perhaps even signs of seasons changing across continents. The impact would extend far beyond science. Such a discovery would reshape philosophy, culture, and humanity's understanding of its place in the universe. For thousands of years, people wondered whether Earth was special. Whether life existed elsewhere. Whether intelligence had emerged on distant worlds beneath unfamiliar skies. Those questions have survived every generation. Now they are moving from speculation into observation. Meanwhile, another possibility continues to drive scientific curiosity. What if Proxima b is not alone? Many astronomers suspect that red dwarf stars may host entire families of rocky planets. Since red dwarfs make up most stars in our galaxy, the number of potentially habitable worlds could be far greater than previously imagined. Instead of a rare exception, Earth could be one example among billions. That realization would fundamentally change humanity's view of the cosmos. The universe would no longer appear mostly empty. It would become a vast collection of possible homes, scattered across the galaxy. And perhaps somewhere around Proxima Centauri, beneath the glow of a dim red sun, another horizon already exists. A horizon no human eye has ever seen. A world waiting silently in the darkness. A world that may hold oceans, weather, and landscapes unlike anything on Earth. For now, it remains distant. But with every improvement in technology, that distance shrinks. The dream of seeing another Earth is no longer science fiction. It is becoming a scientific objective. And when that first true image finally arrives, humanity may discover that the universe is far more alive, far more diverse, and far more extraordinary than we ever imagined.